In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file an amendment on your 2021 income tax return. Maybe you found an extra W-2, noticed a missed credit, or need to correct your filing status. I'll walk you through updating your return in TurboTax so the IRS gets the right information without changing your original file. Start by opening TurboTax on your computer or signing in to TurboTax online. Then open your 2021 tax return. From the tax home screen, locate the return you already filed and open it so you're working from the correct year. To begin the amendment, select Amend a Filed Return, or choose Amend using Form 1040X. TurboTax will create a separate copy just for the amendment. That copy is where you'll work. Your originally filed return stays as is for your records. Before making edits, take a moment to review what you originally filed. Skimming through your income, deductions, credits, dependents, and filing status helps you spot exactly what needs to change and prevents accidental edits to items that were already correct. Have your supporting documents ready so entries match the paperwork. Update only the items that are wrong and leave the rest untouched. Consistency helps avoid questions and keeps processing smoother. If you haven't opened your return yet, use the link in the description to access TurboTax and start the amendment process. Now make the necessary changes. Navigate to the section that needs correction and update the information. As you edit, TurboTax automatically recalculates your amended figures, showing how the change affects your refund or balance due. Next, review Form 1040X, the amended U.S. individual income tax return that TurboTax generates for you. You'll see the original amounts, the net change, and the corrected amounts. Confirm that these numbers reflect exactly what you intended to update. When prompted, provide a brief explanation for the amendment. Clearly state what changed and why, such as adding income that arrived late or updating a deduction amount. Keep it factual and specific so the IRS understands the adjustment. Finally, file the amended return. Follow the on-screen prompts to e-file if it's available for your situation. If e-file isn't an option, print and mail Form 1040X as directed. Include any forms or schedules that changed. Keep a copy for your records and allow time for processing. If you now owe, follow the payment prompts. If you're due more, amended refunds arrive separately and take longer. TurboTax may also guide any necessary state updates. That's it. You've amended your 2021 return in TurboTax from start to finish. Thanks for watching.